bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back. Isn't it? So we have to get that back. I'm going to need something with a bit more guts, a bit more power. Now I've got a couple of these. So this is a Rotax 125, so I just need something with a bit more power. So I'm going to plug the Rotax in. Tool in, and when we turn the power tool on, this automatically starts. So we basically turn that on, the light comes on. We have Bluetooth as well. The new tools that they have Bluetooth on them. Alright, so this is a little CDM Mini. If we just want to suck normally, we just press manual. For my first coat, I've got this Cabothane Clear in my truck, and it's a water-based satin. This is wet. Hope it's not leaking behind the wall.
Goodbye.